What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Shout out to all those beginner investors and traders out there. Y'all already know who it is. And if you don't, this is Cool Ray Valentine. You pulled up to the block market. This is Hood Money Investing. I wanted to take some time to show the portfolio again to those beginner investors and traders out there like myself. And I want to take, a moment to tell some of the people out there again why I started this page. This channel is to show beginners and people out there that are a little skeptical about trading and investing, the benefits and the opportunities of investing in stocks, and what can happen if you research and do your homework and have some patience and invest in great companies for the future. So, right now I'm showing one of my portfolios, and I've been doing that for a little while now. If you've been following me, you'll see I've even been talking about GameStop for a while. I've been adamant about the things that I felt about GameStop. As a beginner, I know that's a little bit hard to listen to, because I don't really have the background or the expertise and knowledge when it comes to understanding the technical side of trading stocks and buying stock. But, I am very inquisitive, and I'm a fast learner, and I try to do as much homework as possible on GameStop, and I've been holding shares of GameStop for about a year now, and I happen to be, one of the individuals that happen to benefit, or should I say, capitalize off of the GameStop run. I was grabbing around like $5, and not to get it, talk too much. Like I said, I wanted to show beginner investors and traders the benefits. And if you've been following me, you can see, the results. Right now, we're up, as you can see, 19% for the week, 33%. And that's because of this run with GameStop. Again, even though I had an opportunity to take some great profit and buy in on other positions, I'm still keeping my eye on GameStop. As you can see, I still have 91 shares. When we started this, we had 100 and something, went to 2, then 300. Right now, it's moved up. It's up 26% today, just about 1%. And after hours, right now, I'm up 12,000, which is 131%. Once again, remember, I'm showing this so I could potentially give some encouragement and inspiration to beginner investors and traders out there, and those that may be thinking about it. Because, when you do your research and you do your homework and you put your money in great companies, or companies that have the potential to be great, you can capitalize off of it tremendously. And one thing I decided to do when GameStop broke over $400-$500, I happened to scalp and buy in different positions. I grabbed some AMC, had ZOM since about 82 cents. And grabbed some CTRM. I ended up getting some more Tesla, but in different portfolios as well. I grabbed more stock as well, my other portfolios. I've been checking out this AYRO. I think I'm going to jump a little bit deeper into AYRO. It's a EV. It's in the EV sector. It's a lot surrounding AYRO. I think you should do your research. I think they have a government contract. There's so many different things AYRO can do as far as in the restaurant industry, as far as delivery. There's things that it could be used in government sectors, colleges, These EVs can be used for a lot, even though there's a lot of competition out there. This is backed by the Democratic Party, Joe Biden, and, with them trying to turn everything green, or so they say, this could potentially do good. But, don't listen to what I'm saying. Please do your own research, do your own due diligence, and check this out. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor or investment guru, so please do your homework before you jump into the stock market, and that's pretty much it. I don't want to stretch this out. Normally I tend to do some long videos, but, I just wanted to, show the portfolio right now at the moment. For those that have been following me, they've happened to see this portfolio go from $3,000 or $4,000. I never recorded a lot of stuff because I didn't want people to see actual gains from me having 300 shares and, 200 and something shares when it started to reach those prices. So me scalping and taking some profits was the best decision for me, just because, this isn't about showing how much money I happen to make or anything like that, or how much profit I made. It's about, building some encouragement, and confidence in those that are thinking about investing, so that's my main goal. As you can see, I have some calls, SOS, I put some puts on, SOS Limited, Global Star, Macy's, that's been doing good. I've made some, decent profit off of Macy's. Wells Fargo calls are doing pretty good. Since I'm holding that till April, that will bounce back up. I mean, a lot of these will already have bounced, but I'm looking for them to possibly triple or quadruple. AMC is looking real good right now. I got 2 arrow calls. I just think it's going to go back over 12, $13. I got those for August. I got a SOS call for August as well, because that's tied in with, I think, Bitcoin and Ethereum, like the mining and everything, if I'm not mistaken. Been doing a little bit of homework on that, just trying to capitalize off of the run based on the things that's taking place with blockchain and Bitcoin and everything. So, just knowing a little bit about that, I figured, yeah, man, let's see if I can capitalize. Global Star, as you can see, I have about 14 calls, which are doing pretty good, but I'm holding for long, just, to capitalize, because I think Global Star will definitely be worth it in the future. I'm holding long term. Party City, I just decided to do some puts for Party City because of what took place last year. So I'm just trying to, learn and look at different patterns that I'm seeing and everything that I've learned from GameStop and capitalize off of it. I figured I also try to get, maybe 300-400 shares of AMC. I'm gonna try my best to get over 500, but I'm still being easy and taking my time, try and learn my own strategy and build my own tricks. And, now I've made a lot of mistakes as well. I could have made a lot more money, but, I don't want to overextend just because I'm making more money. Some people would spend thousands more because they made tens of thousands of dollars. I'm not the type of person, because I know just as fast as you made it, you can lose it. So, I want to stick to my strategies as far as, using small amounts to build my account, so I figure, now if I didn't happen to take any money out, it would be closer to what I was saying as far as, trying to reach 100K. It will be a lot closer to 100K than, we've already pretty much passed it. But, like I said, this isn't about that. It's about showing beginners and traders, traders and investors, the benefits, as well as people that are thinking about investing. So, I appreciate everybody that's tuned in. I mean, it's not about the subscribers. It's about, potentially helping somebody that's a beginner like myself. So that's what we're here for, man. And if you learn any tricks tips or strategies, please jump in. You know, right now I'm still holding strong with GME. A friend of mine hit me earlier today and asked me, was I still holding some shares? I'm like, of course. You know, I'm going to hold long. And if it happens to drop lower, which when it went to $30, or $40, I should have bought more. But I was literally camping, literally like, man, this is not going to run until, you know, middle of March, something like that. So I thought I had some time, and then before I know it, boom, it kind of jumped back up. So, you know, it is what it is, man. It's being a part of history at the moment now. You know, just being one. You know, not, you know, I'm not nowhere near professional. You know, beginner, small fry, but just, you know, being one of the ones talking about it. As long as I have, I'm vindicated, you know. So I'm going to continue to hold shares and see where it goes, you know. So once again, shout out to all those beginner investors and traders out there like myself. We're going to keep on striving and surviving out here on the black market. And I hope you guys are out there capitalizing as much as possible, making as much as possible, man. And hopefully, you know, we'll see each other at the top. It's Money Investing, Cool Ray Valentine. I'm out of here.
They out there panicking right now. I can feel it. They out there. They're panicking. Look at them.
Now, you're not naive enough to think we're living in a democracy, are you, buddy? It's the free market. And you're part of it.
Something just came across my desk, John. It is perhaps the best thing I've seen in the last 6 months. If you have 60 seconds, I'd like to share the idea with you. You got a minute?
After everything we've done for you.
Oh, see, I made Lewis a bet here. Lewis bet me that we couldn't both get rich and put you on the poorhouse at the same time. He didn't think we could do it. I won.
I lost. $1.
Thank you, Lewis.
After you.
Certainly.